Hello guys, welcome to Rev Games Academy. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, understanding prefabs and reusable game objects in Unity. Prefabs, short for prefabricated objects, serve as templates for game objects that can be reused throughout a project. Prefabs allows you to create, reuse, and manage game objects efficiently. Go to Unity. First, create cube and change the name. Right-click the hierarchy window and click the 3D object and select cube. The cube was created. I want to convert into a prefab from the hierarchy panel. Once I select, simply drag the cube into the project panel and delete the cube because I will instantiate the cube in runtime. Now you can see the prefab. Reusable game objects in Unity are game objects that can be instantiated multiple times across your game without needing to recreate their properties or configurations each time. Now let's create a new C# script in Unity and name it prefab script. Don't forget to attach the script to the game object in the hierarchy, so I am going to create game objects. Already we know how to create game object. Click the Add component and click New Script, then change the name. Click the Create and Add. Click the script and write the code. Visual Studio is opening. The reference, define a public variable that can hold a reference to a prefab in Unity, allowing you to instantiate that prefab in the game. The start function checks if the prefab to instantiated variable has been assigned a prefab in the Unity inspector. If it has a valid reference, not null, it creates an instance of the prefab at the position in 000 in the scene with no rotation identity. After instantiating the prefab, it logs a message saying, prefab instantiated at runtime to the console. If prefab to instantiate is not assigned, it logs a warning message indicating that the prefab has not been assigned in the inspector. Save the code. Go to Unity. Let's drag and drop the cube prefab. It will serve as our reference for instantiation at runtime. Let's run the code to see it in action. Great! The reference prefab was successfully instantiated in the scene. You have to double-click the instantiated prefab clone. This demonstrates how easy it is to work with prefabs and create reusable guidebooks. Today, you learned about understanding prefabs and reusable game objects in Unity. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into another exciting topic. So stay tuned and see you soon.